Kamukha ni Bien, may work-life balance. Hindi man kamukha niyang lagi siyang gumagala.
Ako pala epitome ng work-life balance.
Oo. So, alam mo, I'm so happy na mag-1 year na nagagawa ko yan.
Oh, that's
Siguro
good,
hindi
that's
100%. Kasi yung
That's
portfolio talaga wala akong choice eh.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan nyo ng masinsinang.
Yeah, that's good.
Pero siguro masasabi ko na
You're improving.
90%.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Oo.
You really need to separate talaga yung work and life.
Oo, totoo. So, kailangan mo talaga time management. Kasi kung hindi, kunwari, lunchtime, you will spend it like chit-chatting to
Mhm.
wala. Meron ka talagang isa-sacrifice.
Yeah.
Pero you have to choose kasi talaga which one is sa'yo, anong gusto mo. Magkikipagdaldalan ka dyan pagka break time mo or gagawin mo yung trabaho mo sa bahay. Diba? And now I'm enjoying it talaga sobra.
That's
Napag
good.
ko sa bahay, akin na talaga yung Saturday
Yeah,
and
it's your
Sunday ko.
time.
And
That's
you know,
good.
it also helped me kasi pagka wala akong ginawa ng work-related stuff ng weekends, feeling ko recharge ako for a
Yes.
new week.
Sobrang totoo.
Alam mo
To
yun?
the point na you look forward for Monday. Kasi sabi nga nila, there are two types of employees. Someone who says, thank God it's Friday, and thank God it's Monday. So who are you dito sa dalawa na to? So if
Totoo.
you're someone who looks forward for Monday, then you're in a good company. Because
Totoo.
hindi ka natatakot na pahabain yung weekends.
Oo.
Kasi senyalis sa akin yun pag sobrang stress na ako, yung tipong, bakit ang bilis mo ubos, ang bilis mo tapos ng weekend, or gano'n. Sabi, okay, something wrong with the work already.
Oo, totoo yun. So doon ko na yun, na parang feeling ko, mas okay yung performance ko nung week na yun. Oo, kung feeling ko na aakin yung Saturday at Sunday ko.
That's
Pero wala naman akong ginawa talaga. Naghiga lang ako.
Yeah.
Wala lang, something to do
Yeah.
lang. Wala lang. Lazy things lang to do. Pero it helped me,
True.
recharge.
It's lazy productivity.
True yan.
To watch the full episode, just go to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Just search Bienterview. Also, do follow me on all the social media platforms. Just search Bienvenido Marquez Baxal or Bien Viajero. It will truly help the channel grow. Thank you.